What's going on, y'all? Welcome. So, got this PlayStation 1 here. This thing has a bogus fucking thing. I've tried to replace it, and what it does is it doesn't sit on the shaft very well, and so with any sort of pressure, it just falls down all the way, and it's a piece of crap. So, let's put in Gran Turismo. This disc is already pretty fucked up anyway. I mean, it reads it. Well, it reads that anyway, and then it just falls on its face. So, I'm not going to mess with it. This is what we're playing with. Where's my box? Right, so I bought a bunch of crap from AliExpress, and one of them was these. I'm going to test it out. I don't really want to use the whole thing just because I feel like that is going to be a huge waste of my time, but here we go. Really, the only thing that I want from this is this bit right here, because this is solidly on there. I'm gonna be led to believe, and yes. So, right. So I'm gonna try and get this off without fucking anything up. And let's see here. So it should, in theory, just be these little screws right here. Go ahead and zoom out so you can see what I'm doing. This should just slide out, but it's okay. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. There's plenty of grease on it and shit. I'm not gonna worry about all that. Where are you? Here you are. Let's just see if it works. If it does, great. Okay. Oh. It's got some scratches and things on it. It's not perfect, but Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Well, this seems to work. Very shocked, considering everything that I have come across has been such negative things to say about these AliExpress drives, which I'm sorry, it worked. I don't know. I don't know what you want me to tell you. It fucking worked. So, yeah, I think I might leave it right there as is, and just put it back together. I don't know if there is a mod chip. I don't know if I had put one on here. Right. Okay. So it is not chipped. Okay. I will put that on the inside there. This. Just kind of wad this up in here like that. And oh. Yep. Okay, like that. Shove it in there like that. Now I've already replaced this little bit right here, and it wants to just fall all the way down, and I don't really know what else to do with it aside from just feel irritated. Oh, fucking like spreading fingerprints on everything. It's playing. It was cold in here, not so much anymore. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, that plays just fine. Fortunately, I think I will have to. If anybody's looking to replace their drive, go to AliExpress. I don't know. It works fine here. Don't know what to tell y'all. It's a mod chip and should be good to go. Cool. Oh, that worked out. Alright, well, I think that's all we got for right now. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a great rest of your evening. Peace.